Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
This 2016 Dodge Ram has the 8-speed transmission. It's electronically controlled. If the battery dies and you need to have the truck towed, you cannot put it in neutral by using the shifter. It's not mechanically connected to the transmission. Behind this panel is an emergency release to put the truck in neutral. So before we get into opening this panel, I'm going to set the parking brake, because as soon as we put the truck in neutral, it can roll. So we'll set the parking brake. You're going to need a small flat-bladed screwdriver, and you'll carefully pry this cover off. Kind of get it started. Get your fingers under there. Pop it down. Inside here is an orange tether. You're going to lift this up off the little hook here, and you can't pull it yet. You need to take the small flat-bladed screwdriver, and there's a silver metal lock here. Push the lock towards the inside of the truck, and then pull on the tether. Pull it all the way out. It will click into place. Now the truck is in neutral. You can release the parking brake, and it will roll. But you should not release the parking brake until you have it securely attached to the tow truck or have the wheels chocked. To put it back into park, you'll have to go underneath here and push the lock in. This is going to snap back. You want to make sure it's locked in place, and then put the tether back. And then you can release the parking brake, and the truck is in park. Reinstall the cover with the clips by just pushing it back into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.